It looks backwards, wings in the front, propellers in the back. What kind of plane is this? Meet Italy's Piaggio P.180 Avanti. Designed for speed and efficiency, it features small canard wings up front and pusher propellers behind, the opposite of most aircraft. This unique layout makes it faster, quieter, and surprisingly fuel-efficient. It's still flying today, in private jets, medical transport, and even military use. Strange at first glance, brilliant by design. If that clever twist amazed you, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more aircraft that dare to be different.